Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G62 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this Motorola. Begin by opening Tab menu. In it, you need to look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see in this pop-up, you need to select close, and after that, location of this Motorola is off. But you can always turn it on by clicking on the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can always go into settings instead, look for location section here, and click on it. Then tap on this switcher next to use location instead. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!